Hello and welcome. This is Yuning Liu. I am a GIS engineer at DeepWalk. In this video, I would like to walk you through the overview page in our DeepWalk's web app. It is one of our data tools, and this page is basically designed to give you a big picture perspective on your sidewalk inspection project. We provide an interactive map interface with essential layered data, condition insights, and exportable files. So by comparison, we have also the detail page also under our data tool in our web app. We will have another great video to cover that as well, where you can dive into the individual sidewalk scans. So the overview page provides three main functions. The first one is interactive mapping. So you can explore multiple sidewalk related layers. So you can see that scan feature, curb brands, mid-block accessibility, and the panel feature, manual tag, and some population data. We are still working on this. Also, we can click on any sidewalk segment or panel to open a pop-up windows. So you can see it shows the computed sidewalk condition and accessibility data. We can also export and download the sidewalk mapping fields in GeoJSON format for further analysis. You can bring it to another software like the QGIS, ArcGIS, or Cartograph. So now let's see how each function works in action. By default, the overview page displays all the sidewalk scan features classified into two types. One is curb brands and the other is mid-block accessibility. These are color coded based on their accessibility score, ranging from 0 to 5. You can easily identify areas that needs attention. For example, the darker, the black and the red sidewalks could mean the lower score of sidewalk accessibility. So here you can toggle this score ranging to show and refine the view. So for example, I would like to focus on something more severe. We can see only the accessibility score equals and under 3. This allows you to focus on specific accessibility condition. For example, we can isolate sidewalks with the lowest accessibility rating, like that. All right. Beyond scoring, we offer several key measurement fields to help visualize different sidewalk conditions on the map. This includes average running slope in percentage, the cross slope score, the clear width in inches, and the deteriorated area as a percentage of the sidewalk affected. So these measurements are integral to our scoring or algorithm. If you want to get more deeper understanding of how our scoring system works and how this metric contributed to overall evaluations, please feel free to visit our website for more detailed explanation and resources. All right. In addition to sidewalk line walk, we also provide some point-based layers. This show problematic area panels like the points with severe obstructions or serious cross-slope violation. You can also see the legend indicates that the panels in different level of severity. Another useful layer is manual text. This represents custom user-collected data points such as the trip hazard, the tree roots, the ponding area, the broken utility, for example. This text allows you to add context that may not be automatically detected in areas, but instead something that your data collector collect and manually during the data collection process. So you can see if you go to the collect page, the text page, you can see the predefined points that you are focused on. Now, let's take a look at how to access detailed condition insights. So you can click on any sidewalk scan features line to open the pop-up window with key computed fields. And there is also a top-down view image to look at. So if I focus on this scan, for example, I can see the accessibility grade being 4.0, so that's why it's colored in yellow right now. And the description, it's a minor barrier to access found. And you can see additional fields and measurements related to the sidewalk conditions and accessibility issues. The symbology here in the image helps quickly visualize where the accessibility issues occur. So when you go to the legend, the mute block, and you can see this icon symbology corresponds to what's being used in the top-down view. So if I go to the panel features and click the cross-slope panel, and maybe click on the icon on top of this scan feature, I can see the severity being moderate. So moderate is defined as 3 to 4% percentage of the cross slope at a panel-based analysis. So maybe this one. If you want to go in more details and take a closer look at individual scan feature and individual panel, you may want to use the ID here. And when you go to the detail page, you will filter by scan ID to take a closer look. Now, let's open the manual tag layer. Unlike automatically detected sidewalk issue, manual tag capture first-person observation. So if you click on the point here, you can notice a little bit different attributes stored in this data. So for example, FPV media, first-person view image, you can access this image using the provided URL. So you can see the first person view image taken from the data collector. It would be really useful, especially if you are creating a program and sending out the workers to have those areas being fixed. This image, first person view image, would be really, really helpful. All right. Lastly, one of the most powerful features of the overview page is the ability to download your data sets. So if you click on this yellow button, this data sets include the scan feature represented as line string geometry, as well as panel feature obstructions and manual tags represented as point geometry with the latitude, longitude coordinates stored in addition to some other attributes. They are provided in GeoJSON format. So it's a dictionary format that is widely used for the web technology. But if you need a different JS formats like the shapefile, GeoPackage, or KML, there are online tools available for easy conversion as well. But if you are unfamiliar with the GeoJSON, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are happy to help. All right, that's a wrap. Our overview page in DeepWalk's web app is a really powerful way to analyze, interact with, and export your sidewalk condition data. So it helps you to make informed decisions on accessibility improvements. If you have any question, feel free to contact our team. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.